How to search and browse channels on YouTube. Brought to you by Shaun Academy. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. How to search for and browse YouTube channels. First, open any of your internet browser and go to youtube.com. Enter the name or any keywords of the YouTube channel you want to search for. For example, I'll search for the Shaun Academy channel. I'll type the name and then press enter. After the results is displayed, click the filter icon at the top left of the screen. Then, under the type column, click channel to filter for all the relevant channels in the result. You will see a listing of all the channels related to your search. You will see the channel icon, description, and subscription button. Click the channel icon button for the channel you want to view. This will take you to the home page of the channel. If you want to subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button at the top right of the channel. And if you want to be notified whenever new video is posted on the channel, click the bell that appears next to the subscription button and select all. You can browse the videos on the channel by clicking the video tab. Then scrolling down to see all of the videos on the channel. You can click on the playlist tab to see all of the playlist on the channel. Playlist are groups of similar videos grouped together. To see the videos in any playlist, click on View Full Playlist below the playlist you want to view. This will display a list of all of the videos in the selected playlist. You can then click the Browser Back button to go back to the channel's home page. Click the Channels tab to see any other channel associated with the channel. Click the Discussion button to see any discussion forum on the channel. You can click the About tab to see a description of what the channel is about. To search for a specific video or video topic on the channel, click the search icon and type the topic or name of video you want to see. For example, I'll look for any video about cryptocurrency. I'll type cryptocurrency and hit enter. Videos about cryptocurrency will be displayed at the top of the results list. You can click on any video in the list you want to see. I'll select the first video in this list. This will start to play. Notice below the video, the channel icon on the left, and the subscribe button on the right. This button is currently grayed out because I've already subscribed to this channel. You can click the channel icon to go to the channel's homepage, and browse the channel as you please. This video was brought to you by Shaun Academy. To see more educational content like this, please subscribe if you haven't already, it will help the channel to grow. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button below. You can also share this video with others who might find it helpful.